I have a token of my gratitude for being my daughter-in-law.
Stephanie.
Thank you.
Oh, my. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful.
It's been in my family for 3 generations.
Really?
Mm-hmm. My grandmother gave it to my mother. And my mother gave it to me. And I want to give it to you. There.
Are you sure that you want to part with this?
Oh, absolutely.
What about Kristen and Felicia?
I have a lot of wonderful things for Christian and Felicia. I wanted to give this to you because I want you to know that I really feel you are a part of this family. You're like a daughter to me. I'm very grateful to you.